Well, it's been a long time since I've put out a video, but I wanted to talk to you today about something that I'm pretty excited about. Sequoia Fund is participating in what's called the North Carolina COVID-19 Rapid Recovery Loan Program. I'll call it Rapid Recovery for short. That's a mouthful, I know. But here's the gist. If you are a small business in North Carolina, not just in Sequoia Fund's service area, but all across North Carolina, you can apply for this funding to keep your business afloat, to keep you in business, or to restart your business. This began as a loan fund that was primarily funded by the Golden Leaf Foundation. Golden Leaf was the repository, if you recall, from all of the tobacco settlement money back in the 90s. They put in $15 million into this program, and it was pretty quickly exhausted. The hope was that the North Carolina Rural Center would be able to double the size of that loan pool to $30 million through donations and other fundraising. Turns out that through the CARES Act passed by Congress and signed by the President, some of that money was sent down to the states, and North Carolina has appropriated $125 million to the Rapid Recovery Loan Program. Now, what that means for you is this. You now have a source of low-cost capital to continue your business operations, to restart your business. There's no real time limit on this money like there is on the PPP loans or the Paycheck Protection Program loans or the EIDL loans, the Economic Injury Disaster loans through the SBA. But here's the catch. There's always a catch, right? But the catch is that this money is to bridge you to the point where you can access some of those funds. It's not really meant to be a single source of money. It is just bridge capital to help get you through to some of the other federal stimulus money that's available to your business. If you get some of that money, then you will be required to forfeit that money as loan repayment for the rapid recovery loans. But if you don't access that money, then your loan will be termed out at 48 months at 5.5% interest. That's a pretty low rate for a commercial loan. There are some things that you're going to have to provide. You're going to have to do an online application for us. That is going to be through our website, which will take you directly to the Rapid Recovery application. You'll do that online, and you'll have to provide us with some bank statements, profit and loss statements, and some other documentation, tax forms, and so forth. If your business opened prior to March 23rd of 2020, then you're eligible. If your business is located in North Carolina, then you're eligible. If your business is a recent startup, then it's going to take a little math on our part to figure out exactly how much money we can give you in this loan program. But what it works out to is about 2 months of your average 2019 revenue. So take 2 months of your average revenue. That's about what your loan size is going to be, up to $50,000. So there is a cap on this loan program. But again, it's a pretty good deal if you are looking to restart your business or if you just need some bridge capital to get you through to the other side. We're in this with you. Sequoia Fund is proud to be a partner in this. We want to thank the Golden Leaf Foundation for providing the capital for this. We want to thank the North Carolina General Assembly for putting in more money into this program. It was desperately, desperately needed. And we want to thank the managing partner of this consortium, the North Carolina Rural Center. They're the ones who have pulled all of this together and made this happen. They're the ones who've put together the online application portal, and without them, we could not offer you this resource. So that application is open now. Go to sequoiafund.org, click on the button that will take you right to that Rapid Recovery Loan application. Get started today. Like with every other program that's been out there, this money won't last forever. We expect this fund to be exhausted in a matter of weeks. if not sooner. So just like all of the federal stimulus money that came out, there's a shot clock on this, and we encourage you to jump on it really, really fast. If you have applied for some other federal funds, then you have a jump on the process because you've already compiled some of the paperwork that you're going to need to do this loan application. Grab that stuff now, bring it to the table, get started on that application, and we look forward to processing your application. Oh, one other thing. We are expecting high application volumes. There are only 7 organizations involved in this. We're not banks. We are CDFIs, Community Development Finance Institutions. And so other institutions just like Sequoia Fund are going to be participating in this. And because we're not mega banks, some of us may get swamped. You may get a call from another organization, Mountain BizWorks over in Asheville, Thread Capital in Raleigh, or one of the other organizations that's participating may have your application. It may go through Sequoia Fund, but it may be farmed out to someone else to process. Don't worry about that. It's all the same. All loans are being processed the same exact way. The difference is you may not have to wait on us or another organization to process it when it could get faster service by being funneled into another organization. Just wanted to let you know that in case you get a call from somebody you don't recognize. We appreciate getting to work with you. We are rooting for you, and we want to see you successful on the other side of this pandemic.